Welcome to Talk Like Us, dreaming of fluent English? Here, we turn beginners into confident speakers with real talk, real stories, and real results. No pressure, no rush. Just speak, smile, and talk like us.
Have you ever really stopped and asked yourself, what am I doing with my day? 24 hours. That's all we get. No one on this planet gets a single second more. Not billionaires. Not world leaders. Not even the most successful people you admire. And yet, some of them manage to build businesses, stay healthy, chase goals, spend time with family, and still feel fulfilled. While others, they end the day exhausted, wondering where the time went, with nothing to show for it. So, what's the secret? How do some people make their 24 hours feel like 48, while others feel like they're drowning in tasks? Here's the truth. It's not about how much time you have. It's about how you use it. Because once you understand how to manage your time with intention, you stop surviving and start living. You stop reacting and start creating. In this video, I want to share with you 10 powerful and practical ways to take control of your 24 hours. These aren't complicated hacks or rigid schedules. They're simple mindset shifts and actions that can change how you live, starting today. Let's begin. 1. Respect your time like it's gold. Time is not just valuable, it's priceless. You can recover lost money. You can rebuild broken relationships, but you can never get back a single minute that's already gone. Start treating every hour as a non-refundable investment. Ask yourself, what am I spending this hour on? Is it building me or draining me? 2. Everyone has 24 hours. What you do with it makes you different. No one has more hours than you. The difference between success and struggle is how you choose to spend those same hours. High performers plan their days. Others leave it to chance. If you don't design your day, distractions will design it for you. 3. Eliminate what doesn't matter. Scrolling for hours, pointless conversations, endless TV. These things silently steal your dreams. Start cutting out what adds zero value to your goals. Replace them with things that grow you: reading, creating, moving, learning. It's not about being busy. It's about being purposeful. 4. Start your day with purpose. Don't wake up and scroll. Don't let the world dictate your day. Take 10 minutes in the morning to plan your top priorities. When you know where you're headed, you won't waste energy wandering. 5. Build small, powerful routines. Success isn't one big step, it's small steps repeated daily. Create simple routines that ground you. A quick workout, journaling, reading. Tiny habits create massive momentum over time. 6. Focus on one thing at a time. Multitasking is a lie. It drains your brain, scatters your focus, and reduces quality. Choose one task. Go all in. Then move to the next. You'll get more done in less time, with less stress. 7. Guard your energy like you guard your phone battery. Even if you have the time without energy, it's useless. Eat well. Sleep deep. Move often. Protect your mental and physical energy. Because a tired mind wastes hours doing what a fresh mind can do in minutes. 8. Learn to say no without explaining. Your time isn't free. Stop giving it away out of guilt. Not every event, call, or plan needs your attention. If it doesn't align with your peace or purpose, say no. Protect your space. Prioritize your future. 9. Use dead time to grow. Commuting? Waiting in line? Don't scroll mindlessly. Use that time to listen to audiobooks, podcasts, or just breathe and reset. Those small windows, when used well, can change the game. 10. Reflect, don't just repeat. At the end of the day, don't just crash, reflect. Ask yourself, did I use today well? What drained me? What fueled me? This awareness will help you adjust, improve, and grow every single day. So here's the final truth. You don't need more time. You just need to value the time you already have, because when you learn to own your day, you start to own your life. Now it's your turn. Don't let another day pass you by. Start today. Start now. Because your 24 hours are waiting. What will you do with them?
Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Talk like us.